As soon as I stepped into IKEA, I was greeted by this lovely spring floral bedding, predominantly in soft pink and blue tones. Alongside this, there are many other spring-themed beddings throughout the store that caught my eye. I especially want to highlight this blue and white bedding that depicts a clear sky and swallows, symbolizing the arrival of spring and better weather. There are also various covers, sheets, and pillowcases in light pink tones, typical for spring. I found this adorable crepe bedding with snowdrop flowers. Snowdrops represent new beginnings, which is a fitting symbol for babies starting their lives. Next, let's move on to decorative pillows. I've picked out a selection in spring tones and patterns. This season, IKEA's main theme is soft pink, evoking new flower buds on trees. They have basically everything in this color. If you love soft pink, now is the time to rush to IKEA. Even if it's not your favorite, adding a touch of it with some small details can bring the essence of spring into your home. For outdoors, IKEA has released various sets of tables and chairs that can introduce a pop of color. I saw them in yellow, red, orange, and several other colors. As you can see in these sets of colorful glasses, plates, and utensils, colors have definitely marked the beginning of the spring season at IKEA. In the kitchen section, I kept thinking about refreshing lemonade or orange juice because there were so many bright yellow displays with juice-making utensils and tableware with lemon and orange motifs. There are also many other spring toned accessories in this section to enhance your kitchen or dining table. IKEA is adorned with spring flowers and plants. A special treat is in the garden section on the lower level of IKEA, which is a feast for the eyes with its multitude of colors and types, both natural and artificial, catering to everyone's taste. Many flowers are in famous IKEA soft pink, but there are plenty of other colors too. Additionally, I've picked out some vases and pots that can enhance your home with spring tones. Continuing with the floral theme, the decor section features several paintings inspired by flowers that can beautifully enhance your walls.